find hidden Walmart keywords in seconds and outrank the competition with this tool. So I'm just going to show you an example. If we are selling a plush, a Pokemon plush, or maybe we just want to see how much money these types of products are making per month, Helium 10 has a tool where you can actually see the product, the brand, the UPC code, and how much they're making per month on Walmart, which is huge because nobody has this right now. And we can see right off the get, this Pokemon Charizard is making $33,000 a month on Walmart. So maybe we should, if we have a distributor, maybe we should sell some type of item like this, or just double down on plushes in general, or maybe dragon plushes. So we can actually double check, copy the item ID. So the item ID is right here. We can copy that, and then you can utilize a tool called Helium 10. The link is right in the description, and Helium 10 will, once you log in and sign up for free, you can go to Tools, Cerebro, and you can see exactly what the competitor is ranking for. What keywords are they ranking for? What keywords are they showing up for on Walmart? So we can see what are people typing in to find their item. Then we could take some of those keywords and use it for our own listing if we're selling something similar. Because they're making $33,000 a month. The least we can do is show up for the same keywords as theirs and make maybe an extra $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 a month on Walmart. And we can't do that if we have bad keywords. So we can actually see, of course, the ranking #1 for Pokemon toys. Now, Pokemon toys, at least we know this is their #1 keyword. We could run Walmart ads for this, but it might be a little expensive. But another keyword is plushies. Plushies. If we don't have that in our title, we should be adding that. Also, animal toys. People are typing in this. This has a trend score of 93 on Walmart. That means Walmart loves this keyword. This is a trending upwards keyword, and it is getting a high search volume on Amazon, you can see here. So again, and we can see the competing products. There's only 60 competing products, which is pretty darn low. So there's a high chance of success. Compared to the Pokemon toys, has 269 up here. And then we can look at other keywords like plushie, stuffy, stuffies, pretty cool. Not only that, if we do find the keyword plushies like that, they have a second tool. So if we don't want to just steal all of the competitors' keywords, we can also find our own keywords. We're going to take plushies because that's kind of a broad keyword that we know does well on Walmart. And we're going to put it into Magnet, which is a keyword research tool. Now, this keyword research tool finds high volume search terms that are relevant to your entered keyword. So again, we're going to filter it, and we can find other keywords that people are typing in and maybe launch a product like this or optimize our own listing. You can see people are typing in Squishmallow. So again, running Walmart ads for this keyword. Stuffed animals, teddy bear, plush, plushies, weighted stuffed animal. So again, pretty darn good tool to find new keywords, and there's not many tools for Walmart. This data is extremely good because you don't want to just be shooting in the dark and hoping on Walmart. You really want to make sure you're targeting the right items. And that brings me to my next product, which is a robot vacuum. So if you are selling a vacuum or you wanted to sell a robot vacuum on Walmart, we can see how much money they're making. And we're going to go through and again, do the product research tool. And then right here, after it loads, it's giving us the product details, the brand, the category, the product ID, the UPC code, the price, the ratings, and of course, how much money they're making per month, which is $200,000. The first listing, oh, I think it refreshed. The first listing was making $200,000. Here it is. $200,000 a month right here. And we're going to open that up. This one's making $12,000. They're all making practically $1,000 to $100,000 a month in this category. So huge demand on Walmart for these types of products. You can see 15 people's carts. They've got good images, and it's a resell. It's actually a third-party seller, so it's not Walmart that's actually selling this. This is a third-party seller that's making over $100,000 a month on Walmart, so it totally is possible. And it looks like it's just a made-up brand name, OnSun. I never heard of that. Right? So again, what we're going to do is copy their item ID. Then we're going to go to Helium 10. And then we're going to see what keywords they're ranking for. So we're going to go to Cerebro. And if we were selling this item or wanted to sell this item, this is a great way. If we can just get a piece of their pie, an extra $5,000 a month. And the only way to do that is to show up for the same exact keywords they are. So again, we're going to look at the search trend score, and I see robot vacuum and mop. So we can see the demand is high for not just robot vacuums, but the ones that can also convert into a mop. Robot vacuum. And now we're actually seeing Spanish keywords. So you probably wouldn't have known to add this into your listing unless you were using a tool like Helium 10. So we've got Spanish keywords here that we can use. And then we can also plug in, let's say robot vacuum. You could plug it in again to Magnet for different keyword research, and then find other keywords that you could use for your listing, right? And that's going to pretty much tell us what other high volume keywords can we use. Just because we don't want to steal all of the keywords from the competitors, we want our own listing to be unique if we are selling this or are launching this online. And we're going to look at the search trend score, and we see Roomba. That could be a good Walmart advertising keyword. Shark robot. Robo Rock. I don't know what that is, but that sounds cool. Robot vacuum self-emptying. Again, another thing that people are typing in. So a robot vacuum that self-empties itself. That would be a good product, making sure you're adding either that into your title or into your key features, aka your bullet points on Walmart. So adding that in. One more tool that Walmart has that I haven't showed is going to be the profits tool. So this one pulls all of your Walmart data, everything they're charging you, all of the refunds, so you can see your refunds on a good platform, and you can see how much money you're actually making per month on Walmart. What are Walmart's fees? Are there any hidden fees? Are they overcharging you in an area? That's where this tool comes in. So again, this is like the powerhouse when it comes to Walmart. And this is what we use to help our clients get to $10,000, $20,000 or more a month in sales on Walmart. It's possible because we've done it, and you can do it too. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel and giving us a like. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. One of our most popular services is our full Walmart account management service. This is what will fully manage your Walmart inventory, calling Walmart, customer service, advertising, design, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of the service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Walmart for hours on end just to fix an issue. Let us do it for you, save time, money, and increase your sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.